Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Wii Sports Club. First, gather your essential equipment. You will need a Wii U console, its game pad, and a display. Make sure your console is properly powered and connected. For the best experience, ensure your Wii U is connected to the internet for any necessary system updates. Finally, you will need at least one Wii Remote Plus controller, as these are crucial for enjoying the game's immersive motion controls. Now, let's talk about getting the game itself. The Wii U eShop, where digital versions were once sold, is no longer operational for new purchases. Your primary option is to find a physical copy of the Wii Sports Club game disc. If you previously purchased the digital version, you might still be able to re-download it from your console's download list. Exploring second-hand markets or online retailers is a great way to find a physical disc. Once you have the game, it's time to dive into the fun. Wii Sports Club brings back 5 beloved sports from the original Wii Sports. You can enjoy exciting matches of tennis, bowling, golf, baseball, and boxing. The game truly shines in local multiplayer, allowing up to 4 players to compete and have fun together in the same room. You can also hone your abilities in various training modes. It's important to note that the official online services for Wii U games, including Wii Sports Club, have been discontinued. This means you won't be able to participate in online matches or global leaderboards. However, this doesn't diminish the core experience. You can still fully enjoy all the single-player challenges, and most importantly, the fantastic local multiplayer with friends and family right in your living room. The fun of playing together remains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.